Do Not Disturb is one of the most useful tricks an iPhone offers, but most people don't know that they can still allow certain calls through while staying on Do Not Disturb to others. First, you want to unlock your phone and open your Settings app. Next, type the word Focus in the search bar and then tap on the purple moon. From here, you want to pick Do Not Disturb and then tap on People. Make sure the first check mark is on Allow Notifications and not Silence Notifications. Then you're going to make sure that Phone Calls is set to All Calls from Favorites. Once those settings are double-checked, you can close out the app. Next, open the Contacts app. From here, find the contacts you want to receive calls from. Scroll down to Add to Favorites. When you tap on this, you get 3 options: Message, Call, and Mail. Tap on Call, then the number you want to add will appear below it. Tap on the number and you'll see the screen dim for a second. This is your phone acknowledging your choice. Now you're going to close out the Contacts app and open the Phone Call app. In the bottom left corner, you'll see Favorites. Tap on Favorites and there you will see the new contacts have been added in. Awesome, right? Well, let's just double check. Whoa, new scene. Okay, I'm on Do Not Disturb and I had to set my phone down because it won't allow me to screen record while receiving a call. Wow, look at that! It worked! This tip is especially helpful for parents of teen drivers, so make sure you pass along the hack. And for more videos like this, make sure you subscribe to the channel and give that like button some love.